I came here not really expecting to necessarily win matches. I had a very, very tough 2022 and 2023, so this is my first singles back since 2022, and to be on the court, regardless win or lose, is what I've been wanting for such a long time, and now I'm actually on it and winning is surreal.
Yeah, I thought I played well. My tennis feels good. All my strokes. I mean, I think there's some really good tennis, and I think I maybe had one or two chances I could have taken, but that's tennis.
Grueling out here. It's pretty hot, and obviously he's a great player. Lost the first set 7-6, super tight. Able to win the second set 7-6. Then thankfully in the third set he was struggling a little bit with the heat and the length of the match. It's pretty long out here, so thankfully I was able to stay fit and keep to my game all the way to the end.
Extremely disappointed. Felt like I had a lot of chances to end the match in straight sets, and then also disappointed with the way it ended, with me falling on the ground like that. I feel like I could have done a lot of things better, but like it's
I just say really excited, happy to be back on court, preparing for Davis Cup. Although not the typical surface we are going to play on in Colombia, but just for the competitiveness and stuff to be back out there and showcasing my talent is what I'm all about.
It's a pleasure playing with Adam. I know him, and it was a very good match. I feel good.
What were you trying to do today in your match?
Play hard with the ball, take the ball early, and play my game.